Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial because a few people have been asking me, mainly on TikTok, being like, can you do a makeup tutorial? So I was like, I said I would do it literally ages ago, like 3 months ago. I'm finally doing it today. So this is my makeup tutorial on my makeup, my face. It's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. Enjoy! Also, this is today's outfit. Okay, the first thing that I do... Oh, also, these are my nails. The first thing that I do, I don't really know what this is. It's like primer, concealer, highlighter, BB cream. Like, it's all these different things, but I think it's inverted on the camera. I'll flip it, but and it's like this really big, like, spongy applicator. I put one layer of that, blend it with this little mini beauty blender, and then once that is blended, I go back in with this. I put another layer over it, but I don't blend it yet. And then I get my concealer, which is this one, and I just put 2 blobs underneath my eyes, and then I just blend with my little beauty blender. I just blend all of that together, and then I go in with one more yeah, I ripped the sponge off of this one because it annoyed me, and now I just do it every time because it's so much easier. I blend all of that in, and then I get this translucent powder. The thing is rubbed off. I'm pretty sure that it's just from, yeah, it's Revolution. I just get the back. I have a bigger beauty blender. I get the back of it, like the flat side. I rub it in, and I just put it like underneath this bit of my eyes. It doesn't even look that bad on camera. In person, I look insane. Like, it's really white. Like, blend in a tiny bit more, but not like a lot, because you don't want to push it too hard and like get all the product off. I don't really know what they're called, but like one of the things, like, I don't know what they're called, but I just pat it. And then finally, I have like this. Is it like a Chupa Chups? A brush, I don't know, a makeup brush, and I just get off all the... I go in with my Benetint, just put a line literally straight down my face, so it looks quite red. That looks super red on camera, oh my god. And then I just do the same thing on this side as well. And then I go again with the Benetint, and I just put it on my lips. I bit my lip and it's like swollen. Just don't look at it. Oh my god, okay. Bronzer. I'm pretty sure it's from Primark. Yeah, it's from Primark. I don't know. It's just from Primark. I don't know. Brush again. If you can hear the TV, I'm watching Arrested Development. I like dip this in. I don't want too much product. And then I put it here, like along my face, a little bit, not a lot. And then I also do it here on my hairline at the top. And then I just blend it all in. With the bronzer, I contour my nose. I use a paintbrush because it's flat and I get more like definition with it. Like that. And then I draw one. And then using this makeup brush, like kind of pointed edge, I like blend it all in. Like I blend it this way and I blend it that way. And then I blend this one down. My freaking phone keeps falling, stop. It's the girl's best friend, triple baked highlighter. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it like kind of along the side. Use my finger so I can get like a line. Now I do my eyebrows, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in that gap and like here as well. And I'm just gonna go back over it to like define it a bit more. I use this eyebrow pencil from Primark. Once I've like filled in my eyebrows, the Rimmel London foundation, sculpt it out, kind of like a box. Like I do line, 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 line. I just like box them off like that. And then with this one, I like just blend out. This is what they turn out like. Eyeliner stick from Rimmel London, and I put it on my waterline, like here, like that. Then I go in with this freckle pen. It's from Misguided. I draw a little line where there's like natural like creases. Like just draw like a line here and here. Blend it. I just blend it with my nail. And then I I do my eyeliner. I only do a little wing, like I don't do a very big wing. With the exact same freckle pen, I just do a couple freckles, like kind of like a triangle, like. And then I have this lip liner, and I draw over an actual beauty spot. I go over it and I just define it, and I add a few more like around my face. And then once I've added those like beauty spots in, I go back in with the lip liner and I just draw another little line under my nose. And then I go in with the NYX Jumbo highlighter above my mouth, and then I do one here, another line up here. Once that's blended, I go back in with this highlighter, put it in the corner of my eyes, and then just blend it out. I use the Sky High mascara in the colour Burgundy Haze, and I use that to do my bottom lashes. I put on 2 layers on each side. I'm using this mascara. It's from Rimmel London. To be honest, I don't really use a specific mascara for my top lashes. I usually use just whatever I have. Like sometimes I use this one. And then the NYX Fat Oil Slick Click. It is in the colour #thriving. I only put like a little there. And then I'm just going to go over the top of it with my Glossier strawberrybalm.com. I don't know if you've ever eaten sugar paper before, but that's exactly what this smells like. And then I just use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And this is how my makeup turned out. Anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I like explained it well. I'm not very good at explaining things, so hopefully this is a good tutorial. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.